Hello everyone, welcome to StudyIQ IAS English. My name is Praveen Mishra, and in this video, we shall be discussing about Article 290 capital A of our Indian Constitution. An article that is in newspapers these days with regard to the news. The news obviously that we have already discussed on our same channel, that is the gold theft from the Sabrimala temple of the beautiful state, the God's own country, that is Kerala. Right? So, why is Article 290 capital A news, and what is Article 290 capital A, first of all, and what is the Devaswom board that is actually trusted or entrusted by this Article 290 capital A, basically funded by this Article 290 capital A. Okay, so let's go ahead and understand the whole concept. Okay, so the agenda for discussion is this, and before we enter into the discussion, I'm providing you few MCQs. These MCQs that shall be providing you the clear picture on the whole incidents, on the whole topic. So as we can see, question number 1, Article 290 of 290 capital A of the Constitution provides for option A, payment of annual grants by the union to certain states for educational purpose. Option B, annual payment from the Consolidated Fund of Kerala and Tamil Nadu to the Devaswom funds for the maintenance of Hindu temples. Option C, grants in aid from Consolidated Fund of India to the northeastern states. And option D, financial assistance to religious minorities through state funds. So Article 290 capital A basically deals with option B, that is the annual payment from the Consolidated Fund from the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu for the sake of maintenance of some of the Hindu temples in the state. So this is what the basic agenda of Article 290 capital A. Next, we have got one more MCQ. It's about the Devaswom boards, right? So what are they? So we have got four options here, three statements here. The first statement, they are the constitutional bodies established under Article 290 capital A. Statement 2, expenditures are met exclusively through the state budgetary grants. And the statement 3, they are statutory bodies created by specific state laws. So what we have to go ahead with? Correct answer. So option A, B, C, D, that is 1 only, 3 only, 1 and 2, or 2 and 3. So the correct answer is once again B, that is 3 only. So the correct answer will be the third statement, that is they are the statutory bodies created by specific state laws. They are not the constitutional bodies and so on. Okay, so they are provided some grants. Now let's understand the whole article, that is Article 290 capital A. So since it is capital A, right? So it is inserted through any amendment, obviously. So it is inserted through the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1956 that further led to the implementation of the States Reorganization Act. So guys, remember Article 290 capital A was inserted in the Constitution only in the year 1956 through the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act. And as you can see, as per Article 290 capital A, the State Consolidated Fund of Kerala will provide a sum of rupees 46.50 lakhs to the Devaswom board, and the state government of Tamil Nadu, basically the Consolidated Fund of Tamil Nadu, will provide an annual fund of rupees 13.5 lakhs to the Devaswom board in the state. So what Article 290 capital A is focusing on? Specifically on the trust of the religious institutions present in 2 specific states. Not all of the nation, 2 specific states only so far, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And the money shall be given to them, the fund shall be given to them, not from the Consolidated Fund of India. It should be from the Consolidated Fund of the respective states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So Kerala will provide annually this money, this fund is to be given to them annually. Okay, 46.5 lakhs Kerala will give, and 13.5 lakhs Tamil Nadu will give to whom? To the Devaswom boards present in these 2 states. Okay, so well, the states Devaswom board, they are present in multiple other states as well, but here Article 290 capital A specifically focuses on the Devaswom board of these 2 states. Okay, now let's talk about the merger, Travancore and Cochin, and why this Article 290 capital A was inserted, and what are Devaswom boards as well. So as you can see, before independence, Travancore and Cochin, they were the independent princely states. And initially they were reluctant to join, but yes, with some delegation and with some negotiations, they joined the Indian Union. Okay, so both had initially their Devaswom funds. That is basically the funds for the religious endowments, maintenance of the Hindu religious institutions. Okay, when these princely states merged to form the state of Travancore and Cochin, the rulers at the time made an agreement with the Indian government, okay, that guaranteed funds for temple maintenance, as in the Devaswoms, would continue to be provided from the state's revenues. So guys, remember, as per the agreement with the Travancore Cochin rulers, okay, so the rulers at that time, they made this covenant, okay, an agreement was signed with the state government, okay, with the Indian state basically, that the funds for the Devaswom boards will continue to flow annually. And so, in order to keep the promise, in order to keep the covenant, the States Reorganization Act came into the existence with the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act. So, as you can see, in 1956, under the Act, Travancore Cochin was divided and major part became Kerala and some parts became Tamil. Okay, Tamil Nadu. So the temples located in both the new states still required regular funding as per the earlier commitment of the princely rulers. Right, and so for that sake, government inserted what? Article 290 capital A. So basically the need for the provision, just in order to give respect to the covenant signed. So to honor the covenant made by the government, okay, to the rulers of Travancore and Cochin, okay, and to ensure the continuity of the financial support for such temple administration, this thing was added through, once again, 7th Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, now once again the features as per the amendment, Kerala State Consolidated Fund shall provide 46.5 lakhs per year to the Devaswom Fund and Tamil Nadu shall provide 13.5 lakhs per year. Okay, so this is what Article 290 capital A is. And now let's talk about what actually is the Devaswom Board. Okay, so Devaswom Board, they are, as we discussed in the beginning, statutory bodies only for the sake of maintenance of the Hindu temples. And what is the meaning of the word Devaswam? So it's a Sanskrit term that basically means the property of the deity. Okay, and guys, the punch that you must not forget. And what is that? In the princely times, the rulers were not considered as the owners of the temples. Never. They were just what? The trustees of the temples. Okay, please don't forget this. No rulers from any dynasty, from any kingdom were considered as the owners of the temples. Okay, it was only and only the designation, that is the trustee. Okay, so being the trustee, the rulers were providing the funds to the Devaswom boards, and when the government merged, okay, the princely states of Travancore and Cochin merged with the Indian Union, so the rulers made sure that this continuous fund, so that was their religious dedication as well as commitment to the words they had initially with the boards. So Article 290 capital A, it was compelled by the Indian side to be inserted. Right, everyone? So this is what the Devaswom board is all about, and here we have got few questions for you. So guys, initially I gave you the answers here in the classroom itself, but now you will watch the video totally, okay, and then you will see the questions and then you will answer into the comment section. So guys, please, citation is important. This is question number 1. So which of the following statements correctly describes the integration of Travancore with the Indian Union? Okay, so you can pause the video, you can have a look, and please let us know the correct answer into the comment section. You have got 4 options, A, B, C, D. Okay. So next, we have got another question for you as well, assertion and reasoning types. Article 290 capital A directs the state government of Kerala to pay 46.5 annually to the Travancore Devaswom Board. And reasoning, the payment represents the implementation of historical covenant made by the rulers of Travancore and Cochin. So options A, B, C, D. Let us know the correct option. So this is question number 2. Guys, please, before answering, let us know this is answer for question number A, question number 2, or question number 1, question number 2. Okay, everyone. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please do comment into the comment section as well. And yes, for our serious UPSC CSE aspirants, if you're a serious one, this information is for you. If you're not serious, let it be. Okay. So if you are targeting the examination year of 2027, our resolution plus batches are commencing from 18th of November. Right, everyone? So quickly enroll yourself. But why you must enroll yourself in these batches? What's the need? Does it provide you any support? Let me give you the answer. 1000 plus hours of live lectures will be given to you in these resolution plus batches. If you miss those live lectures, no worries, you have the access to the recorded lectures. Teachers' personal class notes will be shared with you at the end of the session in PDF format. 18, literally 18 sets of printed books would be sent to you at your doorstep, as in you don't have to go anywhere to collect them. You just share your address and we will parcel this. Okay. Next, this is the knowledge enhancement part. Let's talk about the knowledge assessment part, without which you are not going to qualify for sure. Test series. The prelims test series, mains test series, as well as interview guidance program. Everything is included in one subscription. So one subscription to crack it all, and that's why we call it as the P2I batch. The GS Foundation P2I batch. So 75 plus tests for prelims, 12 plus tests for mains, and multiple mock interviews for your personality test, that is interview. Along with the 1:1 mentorship program, and the very same subscription will make you eligible to get the MRP, that is the mains residential program. And how much amount you need to pay? Well, you need to pay a sum of rupees 20,999. No. Let me give you the trick here. Let me give you the code here. If you apply this promo code, that is PRV Live, okay, with the help of this promo code, you will be able to enjoy the maximum discount on your subscription. The cheapest price will be given to you with this promo code, whether you're opting for the 2027 batch or you're opting for the 2028 batch. Remember guys, the promo code will remain same, that is PRV Live. And the batches for the 27 and 28 examinations, they are all commencing from 18th of November itself. Okay everyone, so quickly remember the promo code, that is PRV Live, and enroll yourself on or before 18th of November so that you never miss even a single class. And yes guys, please do hit the subscribe button of our channel, StudyIQ IAS English, and never miss an update from it. And in case you wish to connect with me, here is the Telegram channel QR code, that is with the channel name Praveen_StudyIQ. And also you can join me on my Instagram account, that is Praveen Mishra _2107. But guys, yes, hit the subscribe button and never miss an update from the channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Good day. Take care. Keep studying well. Jai Hind. See you soon.